Hi everyone! Today, we're going to make a fun Triceratops that moves when you pull the string. A paper cup. An used battery. Rubber bands. Tape. Colored paper. Stapler. And string. First, take an used battery and place a rubber band between it. Wrap them tightly with tape so they stay in place. Now, insert small rubber bands on both sides of the tape like this. Tie the string between the rubber bands and wrap it around. This will act as the pull mechanism. Next, take a paper cup, cut it in half, and attach some colorful paper to it. Now, using a stapler, attach the rubber bands from the battery section to both sides. Poke a small hole at the top of the cup and thread the string through. Take another paper cup, cut 2 sections of about 5 centimeters for the head, and draw the Triceratops eyes. Cut 2 pieces of paper 6 centimeters long and 1 piece about 3 centimeters long. Fold them in half, cut into horn shapes, and fold the ends outward. Glue the horns onto the face. Then attach the face to the body using tape. Now, fold a piece of colored paper for the tail in half and cut it into a tail shape. Attach it to the back of the body with glue. Use colored pencils to draw fun patterns all over the body. Ta-da! It's done! Now pull the string and let go, and watch your Triceratops move forward. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed making this cute, moving Triceratops.